Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Business cycle questions get easy fast when you spot the phrase automatically minimized, because that points straight to built-in stabilizers, rather than shifting curves or trade-offs. Automatic stabilizers are features of fiscal policy that kick in without Congress passing a new law. So the question is asking what naturally softens recessions and overheated expansions. Transfer payments, like unemployment compensation, fit that definition because when people lose jobs, those payments rise automatically, supporting income and spending without any extra policy vote. During contractions, unemployment benefits increase and cushion falling demand. So the built-in stabilizer is transfer payments, which makes choice E the correct answer. Well done! You nailed it! Scan now. Avoid rushing to curves or trade-offs. Trust the given word and check which policy works without new action.